Hello, my wonderful and amazing people. How una dey? My people, I dey greet una according to una time, depending on where una for dey watch us. So, my country people, una don hear. Latest information when e be say update. Latest update be say they say Yul Edochie mama wey na Barrister Josephine don dey mount pressure on Sapet Edochie. E say this whole thing when e be say e dey happen to Yul Edochie, my people, una know say e never get the time when e be say Barrister Josephine ever supported Yul Edochie with Judy Austin. The woman no support them according to report. The woman no like the way Yul Edochie dey behave, the way things come dey turn around for Yul Edochie. Now, Yul Edochie himself don follow dey tire for this whole thing, because the way im dey behave these days is very very obvious say the prepare wan kpai the guy. No, Barrister Josephine now don tell Sapet Edochie say all this thing when e be say e happen, im follow contribute to it, because when this whole thing started, im remember how im kick against this whole thing, even down to when Yul Edochie carry Judy Austin come house, carry Stabike come say make dem bless pikin. Una know say Barrister Josephine waka leave dem, e no gree be part of them. E just because they, according to wetin dem talk, they say she dey house that day, she no gree come out. She no gree come out. She no send Judy, you know, say Yul Edochie. You no tell Yul Edochie say this is not what you promised me. You promised me that you will contest for presidential election. That is what I blessed you for, not pikin matter. Now, the way be say things come dey go for Yul Edochie, so to Yul Edochie come look finish say na native doctor work im wan do, say im be native doctor, im be prophet, im be native doctor. So hey, now im mama don tell im papa say the only solution to this whole madness wey be say Yul Edochie dey mad be say they must involve that is Sapet Edochie must involve Queen May. If na to tender apology publicly to Queen May, so that Queen May go come out, or not publicly sef, say because if dem do am publicly, get as e be. E say make dem call Queen May privately, hold meeting with Queen May. Then Queen May will not come out to come do disclaimer, tell people say make dem leave Yul Edochie, say this matter na family matter, say dem dey sort out things, make e put public disclaimer, so that the pressure wey Yul Edochie dey get from public domain, when e be say e dey make am, the thing dey affect am. So una know say no matter the matter, no matter how something be, e no get how you wey be say you get pikin, you go leave the support of your pikin go dey support another person pikin, whether una like it or not. Yul Edochie dey misbehave, e dey misbehave. Mama Josephine no like wetin e dey do, e no like, but e no go fit throw away the baby at the bath water. E no go fit. Im son na im son, im pikin na im pikin. Yul Edochie na im own, my own na my own, and our own na our own. So as a mother, every mother wants the betterment of their. No mama when e go want im son make e no progress, no mama go dey happy with wetin dey happen to Yul Edochie. So if Barrister Josephine decide to make any move, what she's doing is not out of place. Now it shows that he dey very caring. He care about the welfare and the condition of son Yul Edochie. So say make dem call make Sapet Edochie say because he and Queen May get good relationship, and na dis whole Yul Edochie matter na come stress the whole thing. If not, my people, the kind bond wey be say Queen May share with im mother-in-law na special one. But una know say out of when you and somebody una no come dey communicate again because of all what is going on, and the bond no come too dey again because one, Queen May don already free herself, don forget about dem, focus on how to make money, dey busy herself with looking for money. So all those things no really make dem relationship dey cordial like before again. But that doesn't mean that they don talk. But now some of una go dey wonder say why Barrister Josephine no call Queen May directly, because one, Queen May no get problem with Barrister Josephine, and this whole thing wey be say una see so wey be say dey happen, Barrister Josephine dey blame Pet Edochie to some extent, because even though sef say your son misbehave, you as a father, you go there are some stands you will take, and there are some action you will take. You go help to remedy the solution. When this whole thing started, if according to report they say if Sapet Edochie take stand in ground by not trying to water the whole thing, e say the Judy and the Yul Edochie therefore no get that power wey be say dem get, wey be say dey make dem dey behave. Now things don get as e be. Yul Edochie don enter babalawo, don enter where e no suppose to dey enter. Now the father don dey show little concern say Yul Edochie is not making any progress, nothing to write home about. Now Barrister Josephine dey say make Yul Edochie papa wey be Sapet Edochie make e invite Queen May for meeting so that they can see how Queen May go help. Now Queen May, is she helping to for me what they would have done, they know what they would have done. No be Yul Edochie and Judy Austin dey always dey, no be Yul Edochie dey always dey post Judy Austin. They always dey post Judy Austin for social media. He and Judy Austin, they go dey dance, all those kind of things. Why are they not? Although Yul Edochie na very stubborn person, no be say dem no dey talk. If you like, if you talk to Yul Edochie finish, the next day you can't do the one wey be say e pass that one. So my people, it is not a small something. No. So Yul Edochie himself, being that a lot of things is going on in his life, is using that frustration they show for social media. Of recent, he even come out to say anybody wey be say he drag am or he come for am, he say he no dey look for trouble. But if you look for in trouble, wetin him go do you? Him go make sure say him no forgive you. Him go Yul Edochie na wow. The way he's going about this whole thing, a lot of people say this thing don dey pass, be careful. This thing don dey pass, be careful. That is why Barrister Josephine they tell him husband say na Queen May na be the solution to Yul Edochie problem. Say because during the time when Queen May with Yul Edochie dey together, Yul Edochie was not like this. Say they need to beg Queen May so that Queen May go come out to come see how im go do am. But you dey beg Queen May, make Queen May to come out to come see how im go do am. Why not talk to your son and see and talk to him, talk sense into him so that he will stop all this rubbish now? Because one, he is not making any progress, no single progress. So now when Barrister Josephine come tell Sapet Edochie this thing, Sapet Edochie come talk say yes, but him get the mind to call Queen May. Say but he notice say Queen May no dey gree the pikin call. Queen May no dey gree dey pick e call. Na Barrister Josephine tell her say no talk say Queen May no dey pick your call. You know that lady is very very busy. As I'm talking to you, yesterday she was in Port Harcourt. Now she's in Owerri. Next tomorrow she will be in Aba. So she's busy selling her product. So what time will she have to start picking your call? You will find time to do that. You will find time to do that. Say because him wey be say be Barrister Josephine, him don dey tire for the whole situation, and he's not finding this whole thing funny. So my people, as this a lot of things just dey go on for the life of Yul Edochie. Barrister Josephine dey find solution. They find solution, and they feel that the solution of Yul Edochie problem na Queen May, because when Queen May and Yul Edochie dey together, Yul Edochie was not like this. Yeah, according to Barrister Josephine, he say he know say him pikin dey depressed. Yes, Yul Edochie dey depressed, say without being told. He no need any prophet, he no need any soothsayer to come tell am say Yul Edochie dey okay. Yul Edochie is not okay. He's not okay. He dey depressed. So, and the only solution to that depression na be Queen May. So my people, go dey give una update whether Queen May go actually even reason them, because as the last time I checked, yeah, as of yesterday, I was with Queen May. I went to their trade fair. Queen May dey sell product, don't even finish sef. Not people dey ask of things to buy, perfume and shampoo. They no see. They no see. So Queen May, as soon as the Queen May when I see that yesterday, no be Queen May wey be say David dey reason Yul Edochie. She don already develop thick skin. She don't even know whether Yul Edochie dey exist again. Now Yul Edochie na im dey want to dey form activities for social media for where nothing for am at all, because Queen May, as far as I'm concerned, the Queen May when I see yesterday don move on. Even na last year trade fair wey be say dem do, I go know say Queen May still dey feel am one kind. But now, hey, if una see Queen May, no go there. Alright, my people, go dey give una update, go give una gist as things unfold. Make una like, make una share this video. Una have a nice day. Bye.